Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 9, Common Annual Examination 2022. English. Dear children, today we are going to solve the question paper, okay? We're going to give the answers. We'll discuss. Listen carefully. Part 1, Section 1. Answer all the questions. First one is, choose the appropriate synonyms for the underlined words. Synonym means meaning. Porul taruga. First one, I want to pursue cricket seriously. And the underlined word is pursue. So your options are follow, express, reveal, organize. And the answer is follow. Second one, he slithered down into a flower bed. And the underlined word is slithered. Your options are gestured, slide, grumble, grizzle. So slithered means slide. Third one, you've stolen those oranges and concealed them in your pocket. Concealed is the underlined word. Your options are blabbled, hidden, open, appear. Concealed na ஒழிச்சு வைக்கிறது. So hidden. Next one is choose the appropriate antonym of the underlined words. Antonym means opposites. He would talk to me about the nuances of batting. Nuance is the underlined word. So opposite we have to see. Unchanges, agreed, light, promised. So nuances, opposite is unchanges. Fifth one, a blessing rests on the house where the shadow of the tree falls. So the underlined word is blessings. Blessing, opposite word you have to find out. Options are cursing, trouble, fear, hurry. So blessing opposite, cursing. Sixth one, that honor is a sacred trust. And the underlined word is sacred. The options are unaware, untrue, vicidious, unholy. Sacred naka punidhamanadu. Appa the opposite, unholy. Seventh one, choose the plural form of focus. Plural form of focus, okay? Orumai panmai. So US vanju mudinjadunaka, your answer should end with I, okay? Usi ni nyabam vechukonga. So your options are focuses, foci, focus, foca. So I wits தான் சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன். So foci. Eighth one, form a derivative by adding the right of dash popular. அப்போ இங்க வந்து prefix பண்ணணும் சரியா? So the options are dis, un, multi, im. Dispopular, unpopular, multipopular, impopular. எது நல்ல synchronize ஆகுது? Unpopular. Ninth one, choose the correct expansion of AIR. So your options are all Indians around, all India radio, aid Indian Asia, all election around. So all India radio. 10th one, fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verb. Okay, your sentences, our workers dash their jobs well. And your options are carry off, carry over, carry out, carry for. So the answer is carry out. Our workers carry out their jobs well. 11th one, which of the words given below can be placed after the word snow to form a compound word? So snow ka apprama or word varnam, it should be like compound word. So what do you do? Your options are light, light, fall, cook, star. So what do you do? Snow light, snowfall, snow cook, snow star. Edu nalla synchronous agudhu? Snowfall. 12th one, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate preposition given below. The swimmer jumped dash the pool. Okay, so your options are on, into, to, for. The swimmer jumped into the pool. Okay, 13th one, children, complete the following sentence using the most appropriate tense form of the verb. The sentence is, he dash for 10 years. And the options are teaching, will teaching, teaches, has been teaching. So the answer is has been teaching. He has been teaching for 10 years. 14th one, choose the most appropriate linker from the given 4 alternatives. Linker and connectors. Slow dash steady wins the race. Slow and but and so. So the answer is slow and steady wins race. Fine children. Moving on to part 2, section 1. So here question answers 3 into 2, 6 mark. Short answers, okay? So I'll just read the question and explain. And for the answers, you can watch book back exercise videos in the same channel. Okay. 15th question. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Sachinoட favorite players யாரெல்லாம்? விவி ரிச்சர்ட், கவாஸ்கர்லாம் படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ அவங்கள ஃபுல்லாக எழுதிக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். வாட் டிட் த விசிட்டர் ஹைட் இன் த ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட் ட்ரீ? நம்ம விசிட்டர் ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட் ட்ரீ என்னெல்லாம் ஒழிச்சு வச்சுக்கிறாங்க? அயன் கிராஸ், மார்பிள்ஸ், புக், நோட் புக், அப்புறம் கிளாஸஸ், அதெல்லாமே ஒழிச்சு வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. யூ கேன் see the video nicely. 17th question. What did Clem Jones carry in the box? நம்ம Clem Jones என்ன கேரி பண்ணுறாங்க? ஸோ he was carrying he was carrying cheese. Okay. But inside the box, who was there? Cat. Firstல வந்து Clem Jones cat கொண்டு வராங்க. Second time he was carrying cheese. Okay children. 18th question. Who was Pongo? Pongo யாராக்கும்? Pongo was police. Okay. Next one children. 19th question. Did Nehru send any presents to Indra? இந்திராக்கு அவங்களோட பர்த்டேக்கு presents gift அமிச்சாங்களா? No. Okay. Fine children. So all in, there are 5 questions, but you are supposed to write only 3 questions. Okay. 3 மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சது கரெக்டாக எழுதின போதும். Moving on to section 2. Read the following sets of poetic lines and answer any 3 of the following. So here again, choice is there. You can write in 3. Each carries 2 marks. 20th one. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. So these are the 2 lines. And question is, how are the woods? Woods எப்படி இருக்குது? The woods are lovely, dark and deep. First lineலயே இருக்குது. Okay. Second question. Whom does I refer to? So I யாரை குறிக்குது? It means you can tell I refers to the poet, I refers to the traveler, like that. Next question children. 21. Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. It's the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. Okay. And these lines, who spoke? Who is the speaker? Who is speaker? Spider is telling. So spider is the speaker. Who is the listener? யார் கவனிக்கிறாங்க? Fly is the listener. Fine children. Children, now let us see 22nd question. Come hither, hither, pretty fly, with a pearl and silver wing. Your robes are green and purple. There's a crest upon your head. Okay, the question is, how are the wings? So wings எப்படி இருக்குது? Pearl and silver wing. Second question. How are the robes? Robes எப்படி இருக்குது? The robes are green and purple. 23rd question. The outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force. What is melting? The outer ice is melting. What is it causing? It is causing vapor. Okay. அதாவது கேள்வியிலேயே இருக்குது பதில். Moving on to section 3. Answer any 3 of the following. 24th question. Using the following anagram given below, find out the other word. Your first word is study. So anagram means the same word. We have to mix it or use the same letters and form another one new word. Study. When you jumble up, you can get another one word, dusty. Teach. Cheat. Okay, 25th question. Fill in the correct determiners. First one. Could you bring me dash tool? I left it in the garden. Okay, could you bring me the tool? I left in the garden. B. He said that he wanted to become dash engineer. He said that he wanted to become an engineer. 26th. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate models. She dash wear warm clothes. So the options are will or can. So the answer is will. She will wear warm clothes. B. They dash see a doctor. Have to or can. So they have to see a doctor. 27th question. Punctuate. My name, sir. I am called Bridge. So punctuation means first letter should be capital, ending with full stop, middle, whenever you need a comma and all. So my name, sir, M capital. My name, sir, comma. I am called Bridge. I capital and ending with full stop. Okay. My name, sir, comma, inverted comma like that. Okay. Moving on to 28th question. Rearrange the words in the correct order. First one. Never spoke anyone Betty to. Answer is Betty never spoke to anyone. B. Now cake I made a. So the answer is I made a cake now. Moving on to section 4. 29th question. Give direction to the stranger to go to the post office. So you can see the road, okay? So you are here in the left corner and you have to go to post office. It's there beneath bottom. So, okay? So how will you go? Go straight. Then afterwards, okay, reach petrol bunk or reach trunk road, you can tell. And afterwards, what you should do? Turn right. You will see hotel. Then what you should do? Turn left. You will see post office. Okay, moving on to part 3, section 1. Answer any two of the following in a paragraph. This is paragraph question. Each question carries 5 marks. Okay, 2 into 5, 10 marks. 4 questions are there. You can choose any 2. So I'll just read the question and explain. Answer you can see in the book back exercise videos. Achrikar was a sincere coach. Substantiate. So okay, Achrikar எப்படியாக்கும் coach. ஒரு boy அவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆளுக்கிறதுக்கு he was fully responsible. So we have to write about Achrikar sir. 31. The man who came to the house gave the cross as a gift to the girl. Why did he do this? அதாவது I can't climb trees anymore lesson. The man came to the house and he gave the cross to the little girl. Why did he do like this? What do you think would have happened if he had taken back the cross with him? So the பொண்ணுக்கிட்ட கொடுக்காம தூக்கிட்டு போனாக்கா அது என்னவா இருந்திருக்கும்? So like that you can think critically. 32 question. Narrate the clever strategy followed by Clem Jones to deceive Pongo. Clem Jones is a plant thief. Actually, he stole Dutch cheese, isn't it? But first என்ன தூக்கிட்டு போனாங்க? He acted as if he is taking cat. And when Pongo police asked him, he opened the box and showed him cat was there. The next time, he carried the box, but there were cheese. Understood? So cleverly. So police-ஐயே ஏமாத்துற அளவுக்கு clever Clem Jones. Okay, 33 question. Explain the important elements of Nehru's letter. So, this is bird letter. Nehru's letter you can write in short. So, for all the questions, you can see the book back exercise. You will see that. Alright, moving on to section 2. Answer any one of the following. 34th question. It is said that the choice is made by one. Shapes one's destiny. The theme of choice is important throughout this poem. Write a character sketch of this spider. So all this you can write. 36. If one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with shock waves reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. So these are the lines. Now let's see. Pick out the rhyming words in the above lines. So when you read itself, if one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. Apo shake, quake, shake, quake, same sound. That is called as rhyming word. Next question. Write the rhyming scheme of the given stanza. Rhyming scheme தெரியும்னாக்கா first lineல A போட்டுக்கோங்க. earthக்கு A, shake சம்பந்தம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? So B. Next one is ground. So there is no connection. So A, B, C. And shake and quake same இருக்குது B, B. So A, B, C, B is the rhyming scheme. Next question. Identify the figure of speech employed in the second line. Second line la enna figure of speech? The atmosphere will shake. அப்போ அது வந்து atmosphere shake ஆகுது சொல்றது. So it is giving meaning to the non-living thing. உயிரில்லாத பொருளுக்கு உயிர் கொடுத்து பேசுறது personification. So this line is personified. Okay. Next one, children, pick out the alliterating words in the first line. Alliterating naga ஆதி எடுத்து திரும்ப வருது. First line. If one should come too close to earth, come, k, close, k. So, the same sound repetition, constant sound repetition vandaka, that is called as alliteration. Fine, children. 37. Paraphrase the following stanza. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So paraphrase now what you should do? You should tell from where these lines are taken. So these lines are taken from the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, written by Robert Frost, and then you can tell about the gist of the poem slightly, and this particular lines are following rhyming scheme, rhyming words, and what are the other imagery everything you can write. Okay, the kutti paragraph is the paraphrase. Fine children, moving on to section 3, answer any one of the following. 38th question, rearrange the following sentences in coherent order. First one, I couldn't sleep before writing to you about what happened on Christmas Eve. Second one, if I had been there, I would scarcely believe it. In truth, what happened seems like a fairy tale. It is 2 in the morning. Most of our men were asleep in the dugouts. So, it is now jumbled up. Mati irukudhu. We have to write in order. First one, it is 2 in the morning. I couldn't sleep before writing to you about what happened on Christmas Eve. If I had been there, I would scarcely believe it. Most of our men were asleep in the dugouts. In truth, what happened seems like a fairy tale. Fine. Now we'll do 39th question. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page 17, May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It is a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was time when all the stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving, the way they were supposed to, on a screen, So, this is a passage. You have a few questions, and the answers are there only. Questions are, when did Tommy find a real book? Eppo, 17th May 2157. Who wrote the diary? In the diary, the diary is written by Margie. What did Margie's grandfather tell once? Margie's grandfather told that the stories were printed on the paper. Next one, what was awfully funny? Actually, funny ennadunga, words stood still instead of moving. Fifth one, how were the pages of the book? The pages of the books were yellow and crinkly. Fine, children. Okay, moving on to section 4. 40th question. Prepare an attractive advertisement using the hints given below. Advertisement nale, first of all, full page la you have to draw the box. Okay, mobile galaxy, smartphones, accessories, SIM cards, free power bank on mobile purchase. Number 51, main road, Karur. So, full box la puttukute, then what you should do, up you can write offer or discount, sale, and mari pottukonga. Then you can draw some boxes inside, some sort of designs, then words, put it inside. Then apart from that, you can write a few more things, buy one get one free, or reasonable rate, tail till the stock exists, and the mari pottukalam. 41 question, write a letter to the manager of the famous daily ordering subscription for your school library. So, a newspaper or magazine you are going to order, okay, daily vardhukku. 42, you are Aradhana or Aditya, school people leader of GHSS Chennai. Prepare a notice on behalf of your school inviting the grandparents of the students to celebrate World Elders Day in your school auditorium on 20th of next month. So, notice nali again you have to draw a box. You should write in NOTICE notice, date, school name. Then you can write, okay, all the students are informed that our school is celebrating World Elders Day on date pottukonga, okay, 20th of next month. So, interested students can bring your grandparents, okay, like that you can write. Date is necessary, place is necessary, and all that. And beneath you can write subscription. School pupil leader Aradhana, like that. Okay, children. 43. Look at the given picture and express your views. So, this is a picture composition. You can write some words about picture. So, I see a tiger, it's a wild animal, it is India's national animal, etc. You can write. 44th question is, make notes or write a summary of the following passage. So, here there is a passage, other notes you can prepare or summary you can do. Notes naka important words you can write and put a hyphen and write. Summary means make it into 1/3, moondil oru panga mathi eludhanam. Okay. Next one, children, 45. Identify and correct the errors. First one, his uncle is a MLA. So answer is his uncle is an MLA. அதாவது LMN SFH வந்து abbreviation வந்ததுனாக்கா it means expansion means use an. B. She is the girl whom won the prize. So answer is she is the girl who won the prize. C. As Preetha was sick, so she did not come to school. So as so same line it should not come. As Preetha was sick, she did not come to school. D. Every children are happy. So answer is every children is happy. E. One of the tooth is painful. Answer is one of the teeth is painful. Okay. So moving on to 46th question, memory poem. Okay. Whose woods lerundu cure. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer. His horse must think it queer. வரைக்கும் எழுதிக்கோங்க. 47th, write any paragraph of about 150 words by developing the following hints. Now hints developing, here there are some hints, no? So you have to develop into big one. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வேர்ட் சம்மரி பார்க்கும்போது மூன்றில் ஒன்றாக சுருக்கணும். ஹிண்ட்ஸ்னாக்கா இதை விட ட்ரிப்பிள் மடங்காக பெருசாக்கணும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். 48th question you can see, that is comprehension passage, unseen passage. So you can get 8 marks very easily. You read the passage and you have 4 questions down and all the answers are there only. If you pick up and write correctly, you will get 8 marks there. Fine children. So I hope all of you understood. Don't miss to watch lesson explanation videos, book back exercise and other things.